Hi guys, in this video I show you how to crop and rotate photos in Windows 11, easy, quick and for free. We are just using the photo editor which is already installed in Windows 11, so let's go. First, double click on the picture which you want to crop or rotate, or just right click, open with Photos, and on the left top corner you see Edit, click here, and under the tab Crop you can now rotate this picture. For example, if you click on this slider, drag to the right and left, you can rotate it very precisely. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to have the same effect. If you want to rotate it like 90 degrees, you can use these buttons here. Just press on this one to rotate it 90 degrees to the right, or this one to make it 90 degrees to the left. And yes, of course, also 180 degrees, everything possible. And yes, if you want to crop it, you can, for example, press or click this place here called free. And here you have different options. For example, you can just feel free and change this frame by clicking this corner and dragging around. Or you can keep the original, of course, using a square, which has all sides the same length. And yes, 9:16, you know this about, yeah, this is a TikTok or Shorts format, guys, or 16:9, which is for YouTube thumbnails, and yes, much more, like 4:5, 5:4. So many options for you guys. Feel free to use it, and in the end, if you are happy with your result, you can just click on Save Options. Save as copy is creating a new file, and just saving is replacing the existing file. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.